Hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the month of April 2026 for singles. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Please don't try to fit yourself into the reading forcibly. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Like use of common sense and brain is highly recommended while watching any YouTube reader on internet, right? Please keep that in mind. Scorpio, your current energies regarding your love and relationship area. The overall energies or current energies regarding love and relationship area. We have the Ace of Cups and the Knight of Cups and the Hermit. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Pentacles. Okay, so from deep down, you guys are embracing your singlehood, embracing your freedom. You guys are feeling like you guys are enough for yourself, and there is a lot to do in this life apart from love and relationship also. So you guys are focused on money, job, career, finances, and your independence. Okay. When it comes to this love department, you guys are trying your best to keep your heart open to go in a particular direction. There might be a specific person or a specific kind of person that you might be very much interested in, but then you are trying your best. You're just keeping your mouth shut and energies to yourself because you are using your wisdom, your knowledge, your experience to not to go in a particular direction, even if you feel like going in that direction, because it seems like a wise idea to not to break the silence, to not to break the chain of wisdom. So there is love, like your heart is open to the idea of love. Your heart is actually leading you somewhere, but you're continuously being in this energy of, okay, not right now, we might think about it, but later on. Okay, again, there might be some kind of a specific person or specific kind of person that you guys feel drawn to, but you guys are just keeping it to yourself because right now you guys feel like my independence, my freedom, and my things are more important for me than this relationship dynamics. Okay, let's see let's see about a new person, new energy. What are your energies for a new person, new connection, new bond, Scorpio? We have the Two of Wands, the Emperor, and the Eight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is a Fool card. There is somebody who is interested in you. There is somebody who wants to take a risk of moving forward with you, and you are also in this energy of wanting to move forward and taking the risk of going in a particular direction. Okay, from inside, like it's happening on a deeper level, from or like on a conscious level. Two of Wands, the Emperor, the Eight of Pentacles. You guys are waiting. You guys took a decision, right? You guys made a choice in a particular direction. There is somebody interested in you. This might be not a totally new person, but newish person, newish energy, and you know this person already. It's not like you guys don't know them. Like it's not like you know them like very well, or you had a connection with them. It's like maybe a friend only, or maybe somebody you met at some point of time, but you guys never got the chance to be in a relationship or something. So you guys are taking a decision of waiting for the right time, maybe waiting for something to work out in your favor, so that you guys are going to go ahead in this direction or and choose something or someone. Oh my God, this is hard. So you guys want to have a connection with a person. Again, it can be a specific person or specific kind of person, but you guys have decided that I have to work on something else first, then I'm going to go in this direction and make something work out between me and that person. So that's why you are not going in that direction, even if you want to, because you are working on something else, or maybe connected to someone else, maybe even if it is on and off. And that's why you have decided to wait for the right time to connect with that specific person or specific kind of person. So there are chances of a new person entering in your life, but you guys are not entertaining it. You guys are not allowing it to enter in your space, because right now you are working on something else, and you are like, okay, I will wait for the right time to connect with this energy. Okay, but it's there in your mind, in your headspace. Let's see. For this new person, new energy, we have the Enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. So you might be disconnecting from everyone and everything right now to focus on something major in your life, mostly related to your money, job, career, or finances. So enjoy the bliss of holiday time together means with yourself. Enjoy the bliss of holiday time with yourself, and whenever you're ready, then you can open up and see what is there for you in this direction. Why am I itching like crazy? Let's see, for a past person, past situation, what is happening, what could be the potential outcome for a past person, past situation, Scorpio. We have the Chariot, the Four of Cups, the Justice. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Pentacles. There is this stagnancy. There is this energy of, okay, let's let things be. You are not moving forward. Nobody, they are not moving forward. There is this energy of, okay, this is peaceful. This is how it should be. So nobody is making a move here in this direction from a past situation. There is this energy of being very, very determined to keep moving forward with or without this person. There is a little bit of disappointment also in the mix, and there is this energy of doing the right thing even if it sucks, even if it feels like it's hurting you or bothering you. You guys are choosing to do the right thing in a particular direction. So regarding a past person, past situation, you guys are trying your best to let things be wherever they are, whatever is happening, and you guys are moving forward without this energy in your life. There is disappointment while choosing to do the right thing, but you guys are just choosing to do the justice in this direction, because it feels it seems like this, it seems like it makes sense to you. It seems like this is something that you should be doing. Okay, let's see. So we have separation. Time apart from your partner is on the horizon. So this time apart from your partner or time apart from this person is actually the thing that is going to the thing that's happening already, right? So I don't know what to say about it. Okay, make good use of this time then. I don't know what else to say. I just woke up from a very deep sleep, so I am a little in my relaxing zone. But anyway, this is what I'm getting for this past person, separation. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Scorpio, for this month regarding this situation of your life, honey. We have the Three of Wands, the Eight of Cups, and the Wheel of Fortune, and the bottom of the deck is the Ten of Cups. You know, you are on the path of finding your happily ever after. Okay, so for that energy of finding your happily ever after, you have to stop yourself continuously from being scared of losing your freedom, losing your independence. You guys are continuously in this energy of leaving everyone and everything behind because you feel like you're going to lose your independence or your freedom, right? That's one thing that's happening with you. It's okay to lose your freedom or independence for the right person. And if you are going to be with the right person, Scorpio, you are not going to lose anything. You are going to gain a very good partner, a very good energy. Losing your freedom or your independence is not a sign of healthy relationship. It's like two independent people, two separate energies connecting with each other and creating a good vibes and good energies together, right? So continuously walking away from everything and everyone is not going to automatically bring you the love of your life. If you know that somewhere with someone you guys are feeling good, you guys are feeling like approaching this person or this situation is actually going to give me something really good and meaningful in life, then you should go in that direction instead of running in the opposite direction, and then continuously blaming the universe for not giving you the right person, the right energy to be with. Because I know, like, according to this reading, there is someone around you who might be very much interested in connecting with you and you are also interested in them, but you are putting that situation on hold again and again and again because the universe is giving you the opportunity to start a brand new chapter in this direction, but you guys are continuously refusing it because of the fear. So if you are going to continuously repeat the same kind of energy of walking away from everything or everyone that's coming your way in a positive way, and then blaming the divine for your own wrongdoing, then you are never going to get what you want. Scorpio, you have to take the risk. You have to open up. Then only you guys will be able to get it. Okay? The happily ever after that you guys are looking forward to have. Let's see the final message for you guys, Scorpio. Trust. This situation is calling you to have faith. See, if you're not going to trust yourself, if you're not going to trust the process, and if you're not going to trust the divine, you guys will not be able to get what you want. Continuously walking away and running away from everything and everyone is not going to bring you the love of your life. You are continuously closing yourself off and continuously waiting for the right person. It's not happening like that, honey. Either you want it or you don't want it. In this fear of I want it, but I don't want to lose my freedom, my independence, my this or that. You never know. You are not going to know it until you are going to go there and participate in the situation. You don't know. You are creating stories and scenarios in your head even without even trying. So that's an issue. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.